In this video, we will show you how to fix USB playback issues on car stereos or head units. In here, when you have a USB, especially if your USB is used operating system, maybe you find your USB cannot play audio or music or MP3 audio on the head units or car stereos. To fix this, okay, for example, for fast, I already have the USB and it's empty, and let me show you how to fix when I format this USB so it can play the audio on the car stereo or head units. First, you need to download Rufus. Okay, just download Rufus here. Okay, after that you can click the rufus.ia. Don't be mistake. And after that, in here you need to download the Rufus. For example, we need to download this for Windows 64-bit, or we can just using portable version, or whichever the version you download is okay. You can just click save after that. And after download is complete, we can open the Rufus. Okay. After you open the Rufus, we can just click no in here. We don't need to update the application. Okay. The USB is detected automatically in our Rufus application, and in the boot selection in here you need to choose non-bootable. Okay, let me hide this. Okay, choose non-bootable. This is very important. And for partition scheme, just choose MBR or master boot record. For target system, choose BIOS or UEFI, and you can using any label you want. Okay, in here I let it by default. And for file system, we need to choose FAT32. This is for the most compatible with head units or car stereo. Okay, boot selection non-bootable, and in here BIOS or UEFI, MBR, and file system is FAT32, and we can click start, and we can click OK. After the formatting is completed, we can just copy paste the audio that we want to play into the car audio or car stereos and head units. We can close this. Let's copy the audio we have. Okay, we have audio in here, and we can just copy this audio. You can see there is have auto run. Don't delete this, just paste in here. And after we paste the MP3 or audio, let me show you. We can play this audio into car stereo or head units in car. Let me eject, and let me bring this USB into the car and play it. Okay. If you cannot eject like this, you can cancel and click this, and you can eject via here. Now you successfully eject, and let's play the audio from this USB into the car stereo or head units. And in here you can see we have the USB, and using the format that we show you. Okay, let's play the audio